What's up everyone, welcome back to another very quick video on how to exchange your wheel bearing in the back. Now normally I would do this in the garage on a lift, and of course wheel bearings are kind of a very mandatory thing to change if they need to be changed, and that's like immediately or like the soonest you can do it. And I started to hear the rear bearings a couple of weeks ago actually, and got time to do it today. That's why I'm doing it here on a parking lot, and that's why I keep this video very short, because yeah, it's actually a very quick fix, and you can probably do it yourself in your driveway as well. Now for the job you obviously need to take out your wheel, and I've already done that. You will need a jack stand, and yeah, any kind of lift will do. Once you got the wheel off, we need the following tools: a couple of nuts. That's a 32 for your central nut, a 13 for your brake calipers, and also a 15 for your brake calipers. 17, I mean, sorry. A couple of wrenches, something to get your cover off. A hammer will do for that. This is optional. Actually, you would need a 17 here, but I don't have that right now, so I'm using that. And of course a big wrench, a torque wrench actually, to properly install the new bearing. And yeah, something to clean everything up. Let's go. You can leave the screw here in place so that you just can twist it like that to get the brake disc out. But what I want to show you is, you can see it's pretty rusty in here and there's fat everywhere, and that means that this probably ran dry over the time. And you can also hear it. You hear the slight ticking noise. That means the ball joint is rubbing against metal. You can actually hear that from inside your car. That's the noise that makes, and this is not exhaust noise. This is this bearing making a lot of noise inside your interior. And there's your old wheel bearing. Now you do realize the Mito has a ABS sensor here in the back, I think. Be careful not to break this off. Before we install our new bearing, of course we will give not this part, but everything in here a good clean. Make sure it sits right. And then you take this ring to push it in. Now you make sure you use your new nut and not the old one. That's very important. And this will get 280 Newton meters of torque. And now you should only hear the fat inside, and no more clicking. Now all you gotta do is put the cap back on using a hammer, and yeah, be gentle on it. You don't want to bend it too much, and yeah, that's pretty much how you change your rear wheel bearing. Now it's getting dark soon already, so I won't be filming everything, reassembling and cleaning the brakes. I think you'll know what to do from here. Thanks for tuning in and for this little short video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.